Greatness Gang, D4G here.
I am back. What it do, baby?
All right, man, you know what it is. It is First Impression Friday. And today I got two new fragrances for y'all. Coming to us from the House of Paris corner, we're going to talk about Fascination. But then we also have Celestial, which is their 2 out of the 3 that they have. They have one more. I heard the other one I really shouldn't get. So we checking out these two. And bro, this all started from the presentation. Wait till y'all see the presentation on this shit. All right, so we're gonna start off with the Celestial. Now this is a series. If you look at the top of the box, it says Celestial series. So this is definitely a series that they have. That's why I say it is 3 of them. We got 2. Depending on how this one is, we might check out the 3rd one. But oh my gosh, fam, look at that bottle presentation. Oh, yeah. The bottle is on point for sure, man. The bottle is A1 like steak sauce, man. I'm rocking with this. Cap is okay. I'm not gonna lie. Cap is alright. Smell, let's tap into it. I've been waiting to get this one, man. I had my eyes on this one for a while. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So first things first, this is my type of speed. Spices. I can already pick up the suede. I ain't even put this on my wrist yet, and I'm already able to pick it up. Like, this is extremely woody. This is extremely masculine fragrance right here. I'm gonna let you know right now. If you're not rocking with those like fragrances, this ain't gonna be for you. If you're getting the spices already, I can definitely pick up the woods. This is an extremely woody style fragrance. This one we're gonna go straight to the skin on this one. Like, I like it already just from it being in the air, but I don't know. I can see some of y'all not rocking with this one. I ain't even gonna hold. Ooh. Oh, it is pressurized. Why ain't recognize that? All right, hold on. Let's tap. It's fine. Woody, suede, some spices, and a faint hint of like orange citrus in there. That's what I'm picking up off the initial blast. Now I can't say this right now. This is an amazing fragrance, man. This is nice. Now this is a unique one. It's not gonna be one that's straight mass appeal. This is not that type of fragrance. You have to be in that type of style to actually enjoy this one, I can already tell you. Because you do get a good amount of mineral notes up top. You can't pick up the saffron as well, so it does have that spicy effect. That suede though, man, it is a huge amount of suede in this fragrance. Almost comes off like leatherish in a way, especially with how it's mixing together with the woods, but it's just a lot of suede up top. And then even like the Acosta wood that's in here, it is a lot of woods in this fragrance. Definitely something that's gonna be for the fall and winter time. This is cold month official. So yeah, this isn't gonna be one of those that you can do in spring and summertime. Maybe transitional periods, maybe even during early spring. But once it gets above like 80, you probably won't be able to rock this one as much. Now, Celestial isn't bad. I'm gonna let this one sit there for a while, and I want to see what Fascination is doing. I'm hoping that one of these are gonna be like a mass appeal type of fragrance. So we have Fascination right here, and this one same setup as the other one. At Celestial, we just pop open like so. The bottle sits in there nice, and the bottle sits in snug, man. Same cap. It's okay. It's nothing. It's not cheap, but it's not like high class either. And I wonder if this one got a pressurized atomizer. This one ain't coming off pressurized. Still got a beautiful atomizer. Look at that mist. Yeah, I'm rocking with it. Ooh, hold on now. This one is unique for sure. This one is hella unique, man. I'm gonna tell you one thing. If you don't like rose, you might not be a fan of this one. This one is coming out very rose, powdery, dominant up top. And I've only sprayed this in the air. Let me see what it's like on. Y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of rose fragrances, but I am developing my nose, so it's not bad. Okay, now you do get a lot of citruses up top, but it is synthetic. This one I can't even hold you on. This one does come off slightly synthetic, especially in that opening. But you can get a good amount of citruses. Now those citruses is a mixed blend of like tangerine, bergamot, and a tad bit of grapefruit. You can get a lot out of this one. Now I can't say this one right here. Out of both of these, this fragrance definitely smells more unisex, especially with how the citruses in the opening is mixing together with that rose that I'm already getting. This is definitely a unisex style fragrance. Still masculine leaning though. A slight woody undertone past those floral notes, just slight, not too much. But it is showing me that this fragrance is gonna have like a woody type of dry down. Citruses, rose, some woods. It's not too bad right now, it's not too bad. But I can say this, I'm surprised. Both of these are very much unique style fragrances. Neither one of these are mass appeal to where I can just say, yeah, if you, I don't care what you like, you can get this one and you will enjoy it. It's not like that, but they are good in my opinion. Now, Fascination is giving me like a slight synthetic rose. So if you checked out the Myth by Mason Alhambra, you know this is one of my favorite rose fragrances up top. Like you literally get good amount of rose. It comes out very fresh. This one is not doing that. This one's coming off a little bit more of a darker take of a rose fragrance. Darker, extremely woody, a nice bit of citrus. That citrus is dialing down that over dominant dark style fragrance. It is dialing it down a little bit, but it's still hyper masculine while still being unisex at the same time. I don't know if that even makes sense, but I'm telling you, the way the rose is coming off right now, with how those woods is at the base, I don't know. I can't even see all ladies wearing this. This might be only masculine, man. This might be. I'm thinking about if I would want this on a lady. I don't think I would want this on my lady. I'm sorry. Now going back to the Celestial, we're gonna let Fascination sit for a little bit. And going back to Celestial, even more of those woods is coming out. It's extremely woody, fam. A lot of woods, a good amount of violet leaf too. As it's starting to transition, I can't pick up that violet leaf that is making the fragrance. It's taking away some of those woody features. It's still woody, but it's not as dominant woods up top. You're not getting the mineral notes still. The saffron is still whatever. It dialed down a little bit. Now it's to the point where I'm really just getting a lot of suede, violet leaf, and the Akagla wood right now mixing together. Still not a bad fragrance. I'm rocking with this one heavy compared to Fascination. If I had to choose just off of initial spray, Celestial is the one that I'm rocking with heavy. And then back to Fascination. Now, as Fascination is starting to sit here, it's starting to have a little bit more of a fruit appeal, like black currant that's in there. That black currant is starting to project a little bit more. Still rose dominant for sure. Still got a good amount of woods in there as well. But the fruits is kind of adding to that and taking away some of that synthetic rose and giving us a great blend of the rose, the black currant, as well as those woods. Yeah. These are nice. I'm just more so upset that they aren't complete mass appeal fragrances. I did want at least one of them to be like a mass appeal type of fragrance. That way I can present something like that to y'all. But I can't see neither one of these being mass appeal. It's very much unique. If you like roses, woods, that type of thing, then you're gonna like Fascination. If you like suede, some saffron spice, woods in the dry down, a little bit of violet leaf as well, that's adding a slight powdery nature to the fragrance, then you're gonna like Celestial. Me off top, I like Celestial more than Fascination, but Fascination is still nice as well. I'm gonna get both of these a wearing and let y'all know how it comes out. I'm definitely gonna do a gas and pass on this, so make sure you got your bell notification set. That way you can be updated. And if you do have this in your collection, what are your thoughts on these two fragrances? I know a couple of y'all have this because we talked about it a while. So let me know y'all thoughts down in the comment section. Is this mass appeal? Is this very much a unique style fragrance? Let me know down in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. But with all that being said, we got to get up out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all have a phenomenal day. Stay on your square. Stay on your purpose. Don't let nobody take you off of the damn. B4G, truly blessed. Destined for greatness. Yeah.